Okay, here we're going to have a look at how to do some summing of numbers in Excel. So if we say want to add up these, we can press the equals key and press 5, then plus, and then 9, and then 7. I've set this up so it does random numbers. I could manually go and add these up. Go, okay, I've got 9, 1, 9, so that's going to give me 19. But each time, if I went and changed one of these numbers, this is now no longer relevant. Another way to carry it out is we can use the sum formula. So we can type equals sum, open bracket, and then we can manually and put a comma between each number, which will work. So now we've got these three values, or we can actually highlight them with a range. So we see the first cell, colon, and then the second cell. We've got these little marching ants which are highlighting what's going around, and we put a closing bracket to finish that off. So I'm just going to put the rand between 1 and 10 to make those random numbers more random numbers. What you're seeing is every time I actually add these up or make a change, these numbers are automatically updating. So it's a good way to actually help us test out some of our formulas. I can also go up to the menu and choose auto sum. So click on the drop down, click sum. It does its best guess. So it's going, okay, from this top down to here. You always need to check it. So I might want to highlight those to make sure I can include it. Reason being, what I might want to do here is because now I can just go and add an extra number. Or if I want to insert an extra row, this formula now goes from I1 to I7. If we double click on it, we can see that range. Whereas this previous one is still only to G4. It hasn't stretched out the formula. So that's a very quick overview into using AutoSum in Excel.